Hey, what is up, YouTube? I am out here again with another video. I have the DJI Smart Controller and the DJI Mavic Air 2 here. I'm going to be testing out the ActiveTrack 3.0 to see how well it does. It's a little windy out here. I have propeller guards on here. I'll leave links in the description if you want to pick these propeller guards up, and this stuff too. But I'm going to see how well ActiveTrack 3.0 does out here right after this intro. Okay, now to get into ActiveTrack 3.0, what I want to do is trace myself. There we go, I'm acquired. And then I'm going to click on ActiveTrack. Go. There we go, now I'm being tracked by the Mavic Air 2. I'm going to go over here to this pine tree to the right of me and see how it does. I gotta watch myself out here. It's melting snow and ice. Okay, let me go to this one, go around this one, this pine tree. So far, so good. I'm gonna go like this and see if it'll lose me. Okay, it lost me. Now it should reacquire me. There we go. Again, this is ActiveTrack 3.0 on the DJI Smart Controller and the Mavic Air 2, which is what's filming me right now. Let me go over here to this overhang in these two trees and see how it deals with these obstacles. It's windy out here today too. Whoa, a little bit of ice. I'm gonna see how it deals with this overhang. Whoa, oh my goodness. Almost fell on that. %83 battery left, so plenty of battery. Okay, I got through that with no problem. I'm gonna go around this support beam right here and see what happens. Okay, no problem with that. Oh, this is ice right here. Let me skate down this way. I'm gonna go over here to this fence and see how it deals with this. Oh, this mic keeps falling down. Hold on for a minute, just a minute. Stay put. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm gonna see how it deals with this right here. Okay, it lost me. Here we go, reacquire it. Let me go back out of here. But let me go up here. I'm gonna see something different. I'm doing my hand like this, like I'm telling it to follow me or something. Well, it is, but like my hands are controlling it. Now I'm gonna go through this way, from this angle right here, through this gate, and see how it goes with this. Again, ActiveTrack 3.0. Okay, went over that gate, no problem. I'm going to see how it over here. ice right here, so got to be careful. How it deals with this. It still has me acquired. Okay, it dropped down below that. That's great. This little support beam lost me. Reacquired. Let me do a little 72% battery. Let me do a little bit of running. I'm gonna walk towards it. I can't run too far from my camera. The camera is out there by itself, so I have to keep an eye on that. I can't go too far. My other camera. I'm gonna go back through this way. I'm just gonna stay in this area. I have a camera out over there, and I don't want anybody to steal it. Okay, drop down. Kind of scared me for a minute. Okay, reacquired. Okay, I think it's just looking for a way through this. Again, this is in ActiveTrack mode. This is ActiveTrack 3.0. Going to go down here by this pine to my right over here. It's not a bad day today, actually. Feels pretty good out here. Okay, lost me for a couple of seconds and then reacquired me. .63% battery left. Doing great. I'm gonna go back around this way. Nice little breeze out here today. And again I have prop guards on the Mavic Air 2, just in case of any mishaps. It will protect the props, the propellers. See how it deals with this little tree. ActiveTrack 3.0. Oh, nasty. I should have came out here when it's dry or something, but these whoa. Ice. But these I almost slipped on that ice. It made me lose train of thought of what I was about to say. I may think of it. Oh, no, don't get caught in that string right there. No, there's a string. There was a string hanging right above it. I was hoping it didn't get caught. It did not get caught in that, but it didn't. Good to go. I wish this drone had upward obstacle detection, but it doesn't. The Mavic Air. But again, rear, front, and down obstacle detection. Not bad for the price point. I mean, if you start adding more stuff, the price goes up. I think the ActiveTrack 3.0 and this drone are fantastic. I've had this drone maybe now for a couple of months, and I think it's a keeper. Definitely a keeper for me. See, I didn't want to venture too far from my camera right there, because it's just out in the open. If I go walking far away or something like that, then, you know, people steal things. And this is a very expensive camera and lens. You see how it deals with my, see how it deals with this vehicle. It lost me for a second. Okay, it lost me. I'm gonna go back into view so it can reacquire me. Oh, it lost me. But I think that's that'll wrap this video up. I think the ActiveTrack 3.0 is, I think it's very nice. I like it. It did a pretty good job out here. And in conclusion of this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to be notified of the future videos that I post. The sun is in my face. But with that being said, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Let me see if I can do a hand catch. Ooh, it hit my finger. But I'm okay, that was my fault. Peace.